I feel I can't feed them again.
You want to feed them? What did you feed them last time with Daddy? Bread?
Yeah.
You're so silly. They are so loud.
I want my napkin.
Alright. Videoing you getting your jacket. Here, birdie, birdie, birdie. Where are the Sandhill pigs going to? What? I hear you. Yep. Yeah, they're moving. Out onto the court. It's just funny. I'd say you were the Beatles, but there's 5 of you. Look at him. Come to your house. They're very close. Now the other 2 are stuck on that driveway. Yeah, I told you it's going to get colder and colder today. Strange day in Florida. It'll be 38 degrees tonight.